Mirabelle Madrigal is a remarkable and spirited young woman who is at the heart of the enchanting world of Encanto. As the central character of the story, Mirabelle captivates audiences with her relatable nature, determination, and unwavering love for her family. Mirabelle comes from the extraordinary Madrigal family, who live in a magical house located in the enchanting town of Encanto in Colombia. Each member of the Madrigal family possesses a unique magical gift, ranging from super strength to the power of healing. However, unlike her relatives, Mirabelle seemingly has no magical gift of her own. Despite being the odd one out, Mirabelle's lack of a gift doesn't dampen her spirit. She embraces her individuality and finds joy in other aspects of life. Mirabelle is incredibly resourceful, clever, and possesses a remarkable ability to see the beauty in the mundane. She appreciates the simple pleasures, such as spending time with her family, exploring her surroundings, and helping others. Mirabelle's relationship with her family is at the core of the film. She deeply loves and respects her relatives, despite feeling like an outsider within their magical world. Mirabelle's empathy and understanding make her the perfect confidant and friend for her cousins and siblings, providing a shoulder to lean on when they face their own struggles. As the Madrigal family faces a crisis that threatens to unravel the magic surrounding Encanto, Mirabelle becomes a beacon of hope and resilience. She embarks on a journey to uncover the truth behind the family's predicament, and along the way, she discovers her own unique strength and purpose. Mirabelle's character resonates with audiences because she represents the power of resilience, determination, and the importance of embracing one's true self. She teaches us that our worth is not solely defined by our abilities or the expectations placed upon us. Mirabelle's journey inspires us to embrace our own unique qualities, celebrate our individuality, and find strength in the face of adversity. With her infectious energy, genuine kindness, and unwavering love for her family, Mirabelle Madrigal is a memorable and beloved character from Encanto. She reminds us that sometimes the most magical things come from within, and that being true to ourselves is the greatest gift we can possess. Isabella Madrigal, a vibrant and spirited young woman, is the heart and soul of the Madrigal family in the enchanting world of Encanto. From her infectious smile to her boundless energy, Isabella possesses a charisma that captivates everyone she meets. She is a true embodiment of courage, determination, and the power of family bonds. Isabella is the second oldest of the Madrigal siblings and has a special connection with the magical powers that reside within their ancestral home. As the Mirabelles, the family members possess unique gifts bestowed upon them by the magical candle that fuels the magic of the Encanto. While every member of the Madrigal family has their own special ability, Isabella's gift is particularly extraordinary. Her enchanting power lies in her innate ability to manipulate and control the magical properties of nature itself. She can communicate with animals, summon vibrant flora at her command, and even shapeshift into various woodland creatures. Isabella's affinity for nature reflects her nurturing and compassionate personality, as she uses her abilities to bring harmony and balance to the world around her. However, Isabella's journey is not solely defined by her magical powers. She is a beacon of strength and resilience in the face of adversity. When the magic of Encanto starts to fade, and the Madrigal family begins to lose their extraordinary abilities, Isabella takes it upon herself to uncover the truth behind this mysterious crisis. Driven by her unwavering determination, she embarks on a courageous quest to restore the magic and save her family and their cherished community. Isabella's relentless pursuit of the truth leads her to confront numerous challenges and discover hidden secrets along the way. Despite the obstacles she encounters, Isabella never loses faith in herself or her family. Her unwavering belief in the power of love and unity becomes a driving force that inspires those around her. Beyond her adventurous spirit and magical gifts, Isabella's character is shaped by her deep love for her family. She cherishes the bonds she shares with her parents, abuela, and her siblings. Isabella's infectious enthusiasm and joyful nature serve as a source of strength and support for her loved ones, uplifting their spirits during difficult times. Throughout the film, Isabella's character undergoes a remarkable growth and transformation. She learns valuable lessons about self-discovery, the importance of embracing one's uniqueness, and the strength that lies in unity. Isabella's unwavering determination and indomitable spirit not only save her family but also inspire her community to embrace their true selves and celebrate their individuality. In summary, Isabella Madrigal is a vivacious and compassionate character in the world of Encanto. Her extraordinary magical powers, unwavering determination, and deep love for her family make her an inspiring and beloved member of the Madrigal household. Through her journey of self-discovery, Isabella teaches us the significance of embracing our uniqueness and the power of love and unity in overcoming challenges.